Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you how I made these multicolor resin geode coasters. So without further ado, let's get to it. Hello again, this is Leanne from Resin Creations, and today I am super excited because I have this beautiful new mold to work with. This mold is from Molds and Shapes, and when you have a new mold, it's always feels exciting to work with it for the first time. So here I have a gold leaf that I'm gonna be adding some resin and it's gonna go in the middle. And also I'm taking 3 new cups, so we start very clean and hopefully these coasters come out very neat. And the resin that I'm using today is Art Pro resin from Resin Pro company. After I premix my gold middle, I pour 3 equal parts for my colors, and I am using today just for you online UK mica pigments, and there is teal, dark blue and purple violet. They all are lovely dark colors and I think they will go very nice together as well. So mix them up very quickly. And it's time to pour. So idea for these coasters was to put down some clear. As you can see, I'm doing it here. After put the gold middle center and then place the colors. So you're gonna see how I am doing it. So I'm gonna put just some music in background and let you enjoy the process. So I shall see you in a bit. So how about that? And now I am just dragging the colors out to the edge because I would like not to have transparent parts on the edge. Because how we know, afterwards resin gonna pull into center and the colors gonna go there as well. And so far I'm very happy what is coming out, and the mold is absolutely beautiful to work with. Pop the bubbles, give a resin a bit of warm so the colors keep going, and once again I go over with my color resin to use it all, because we know that we don't want to waste resin. No one drip. I'm not gonna show you again the whole process again, but after I used up all my colors, I give again a heat blast so the resin will move better, because I recently noticed that with the cold, and my studio is as well on the cold side, the resin doesn't move so well, and I need to encourage it a lot. And here is 20 minutes later, and the resin has stopped moving, and I'm not really happy because I thought that the colors will go till the center. So I have a toothpick and I am gently pulling the top layer in the middle, so the color is a bit more covering the coaster. Once again, I have sped up this process quite a bit, otherwise it would be boring for you to watch. And after that's done, I just cover them and leave them to cure. And this is 24 hours later. You can see that the pooling helped a lot, and I'm almost happy how they came out. And now we're gonna have a look how they look from the other side. And wow, I like the effect a lot. The colors look gorgeous together and they look really, really neat. Here is the next one. And once again, looking great. And the next one. And I am really, really happy how they turn out. So the next step is just to finish with painting the edges gold, and then they are finished. This time I will not add the top coat because the mold gave a really shiny finish. And here you can see they're all done and looking beautiful. If you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving a comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!